Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your Google account on a desktop browser. This method won't change app UIs on mobile. Once signed in, open Google Docs and create a blank document. Click the font drop-down and select More Fonts to add the exact Google fonts you need. Once added, pick one as the active font. This is the first actionable move, collecting the fonts and putting them in Docs so you can standardize documents right away. With your font added, type some sample text and format it with the new font. Next, use Format right arrow paragraph styles and update normal text, heading 1, heading 2, etc. to match your chosen font so documents are consistent. Once done, open the paragraph styles menu options and choose Save as My Default Styles. This makes the font the default for new docs in this account and browser. Make sure to repeat for other heading sizes. Consistency matters for templates and future documents. To use the same font across Google Apps, create a Docs template and copy content into Sheets or Slides, or set slide theme fonts to match. Remember, mobile Google app interfaces typically won't adopt web document fonts. Change device font on Android or use the Docs web app for true consistency. If the style doesn't appear, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or open a fresh template with saved default styles. One key tip: if fonts still differ, confirm the chosen font exists in more fonts for your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.